I am nothing like you. I have surpassed you. Blinded by your own ambition, I will not be stopped.
Cannot deny what you are. We are one and the same.
Maria, I don't know if it will be right for me. I'm not like you. What if I can't find where I belong?
I believe in you. You can do anything, and if you ever have trouble, you can always count on me to help you.
I am Shadow the Hedgehog. This is the destiny I choose.